In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion template with someone else. If you've created a Notion page that you want another person to use, copy, or add to their own workspace, the process is very simple. The key is making sure the page is shared correctly so they can access it and duplicate it without any issues. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that in a clear and easy way. First, open the Notion page or template that you want to send. Make sure you're on the exact page you want the other person to receive because the sharing settings you apply will affect that specific page. If this page is meant to be used as a reusable setup, it's a good idea to quickly review it before sharing so everything looks the way you want. Once the page is open, go to the top right corner and click the share button. This is where Notion gives you the options for controlling who can view the page and how they can use it. Opening this panel is the main step that allows you to make the page accessible outside of your private workspace. After that, turn on sharing for the web. This makes the page publicly accessible through a link, which is necessary if you want to send it to someone who needs to open it directly. Without this setting enabled, the other person may not be able to access the page properly. Next, enable the option that allows others to duplicate the page as a template if you want them to be able to copy it into their own Notion workspace. This is especially important when you're sharing something not meant to be reused because it gives the other person their own editable version instead of forcing them to work from your original page. Once those settings are turned on, copy the public Notion link. This is the link you'll send out, and it will direct the other person straight to the shared page. Before sending it, it can be helpful to double check that the sharing settings are correct so the experience is smooth on their end. Now, send the link to the person who needs the template. You can share it through whatever method works best, as long as they receive the full public link. Finally, ask them to click duplicate when they open the page. This will add the template to their own Notion workspace, allowing them to use and customize it independently. And that's it. That's how to share a Notion template with someone else quickly and correctly.